Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 2A. We have in 2A algebra part and probability. Let us see our syllabus. First, in algebra. First chapter is complex numbers. Next, second one is De Moivre's theorem. Third one, quadratic expression. Fourth one, theory of equation. Fifth one, permutation and combination. Next one, sixth one, binomial theorem. Next one, seventh one is partial fractions. Next one, this is algebra part, and second part is probability. In this one, eighth one is measure of dispersion. Next, ninth chapter is probability. Tenth one, random variables and probability distribution. See, random variable and probability distribution. This is total 10 chapters are there. In 2A is very easy. Syllabus also complex numbers and De Moivre's theorem are, these two chapters are belongs to the trigonometry. Next one, quadratic expression, theory of equations. Already we studied in 10th standard, but now expand in this second year these two concepts. Newly concept is permutation and combination. Okay, so new chapters. So let us discuss after some time. Binomial theorem. This is nothing but a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole power 4, a plus b whole power 5, a plus b whole power 10, like that. So on, a plus b whole power n binds to sum of the two terms. Power is n is some integer. Okay, this is binomial theorem. Next, another one is partial fractions. Okay, fractions, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, like this. But polynomials are divided into the fractions. Okay, f of x by g of x. It can be divided the partial fractions. Next, probability. So we studied in 10th standard probability. So measure of dispersion. This has, mean, mode, media in 10th standard. There are some mean are there. Mean, mode, variance, some extra syllabus are there in this one, measure of dispersion. probability. We studied complete in 10th standard. Probably same concept are there, but some extended. Next, random variable and probability distribution. This is also extended by the probability. Okay. So these three concepts is probability part. This one is called algebra. Okay. Next, today we will start the complex numbers. First one. First one, 2a. First one, complex numbers. So, complex numbers. We know real numbers. We know very well about real numbers. Now let us discuss the complex numbers. So see, very simple amount. See, if A comma B belongs to R, means those are two real numbers, then C is equal to order pair of A comma B. This is belongs to complex numbers. Nothing but it is nothing but can be written as A plus IB, where I is equal to imaginary number, that is root minus 1. Okay, so it is C is equal to open interval A comma B or order pair A comma B is nothing but A plus IB. This is called complex numbers. Okay, so where and A is a real part, where A is a real part and B is imaginary part. Okay, so I is nothing but root minus 1. It is imaginary number. So before that imaginary number is B, that is called imaginary part. This is over. Next one. In complex numbers, additions, subtractions, multiplication, division. How to define it? Let us see. Z1 equal to A1 comma B1. Nothing but A1 plus B1. Next one. Z2 equal to A comma B, Z2 equal to C comma D, open to C comma D, then is equal to C plus ID. Therefore, Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, so this is A plus C, next to B plus D. It is nothing but, those are adding A plus C plus I of B plus D. This is addition of complex numbers. Next, Z1 minus Z2 is nothing but A minus C comma B minus D. This is nothing but A minus C of plus I into C minus D. This is addition and subtractions of the complex numbers. Next one, and let us see the product. Means multiplication of complex numbers. See, Z1 into Z2. So this is A plus IB into C plus ID. This is Z1 Z2 product. A into C, AC plus I into AD plus I into BC plus I into I square, B into D, B, D. AC plus D. Though which are having same I, AD plus BC. Next one, I square means minus 1. I square is minus 1 into BD. Of course, simply write minus 1 of BD. Since I is equal to root 2 minus 1, I square equal to root 2 minus 1 whole square, square root cancel, I square equal to minus 1. So, AC plus I of AD plus BC minus BD. Finally, we can write as AC minus BD plus I of AD plus BC. This is a product of two complex numbers. Next, another one, some division are there. On these formulas, ఈ formulas మీద 2 marks problems అడిగే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. సో weightage of marks nothing but 2 plus 2 plus 4, nothing but 8 marks only for this chapter. 2 plus 2 plus 4 marks, total 8 marks of this weightage for complex numbers. Okay, 2 marks questions will be coming. Depend on these formulas, additions, multiplications or division. Let us see the division. Division of complex numbers. Z1 by Z2 is equal to A plus IB by C plus ID. So we solve it like this one. When the denominator is irrational number, means 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. This is a irrational number. Should be rationalizing. Means conjugate of this number is 2 minus root 3 is 2 plus root 3. We should multiply and dividing, then simplify the getting rational number. So similarly, in these complex numbers also, denominator is complex number. So should be change as denominator in rational number. How to solve it? Similarly, we can simplify that by A plus IB by C plus ID into C minus ID by C minus ID. So the product is A plus B into A minus B. A square minus ID whole square. So product AC minus IBD plus I into BC plus I into I minus I square B into D. Just AC plus A into this one plus IB into this one plus into minus I into I square B into D, BD. Okay, let us simplify it. So AC minus, in these two terms are having I, that is plus I common, minus BD plus A into C minus A into ID, AD. So minus AD there plus BC. So I square value is minus 1 into minus plus 1 plus 1 into BD by, so there also C square, next minus I square into D square. I square value is minus 1, minus into minus plus 3 there. So AC plus BD, AC plus BD plus I of BC minus AD. Then we should write plus term, next minus term, after we can write. After this, C square minus into minus plus D square. Next one, AC plus BD by C square plus D square plus I of BC minus AD by C square plus D square. This is the solution for the division of two complex numbers. Okay now, this is up to here, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is so much enough for this total complete complex numbers. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ తోటి మనం అన్నీ కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చాము. ఇంకొక ఇంతకంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండవు కాన్సెప్ట్స్, బట్ సమ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయేమో. లెట్ us see that one. నెక్స్ట్, సో మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటేనే 4 బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్స్, అడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అండ్ డివిజన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ note. First one, I equal to root minus 1. Second one, I square equal to root minus 1 whole square means minus 1. Third one, I cube equal to I square into I minus 1 into I equal to minus I. Finally, I cube is equal to minus I. Fourth one, I power 4 equal to I square into I square minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Next one, I power 5 equal to I power 4 into I power 4 value is 1, next into I equal to I. Similarly, I power 6, so I power 6 equal to I power 4 into I square. I power 4 value is 1, I square is minus 1. The value is minus 1. So on, for example, we will get I power 10, nothing but I power 4 into I power 4 into I square. I power 4 is 1, I power 4 is 1, I square is minus 1, finally get minus 1. So similarly, we can get any value of I power some n. Okay ma, I power 10 కానీ I power 11 కానీ I power 20 కానీ maximum I power 4 ని బేస్ చేసుకుని కంప్లీట్ చేయవచ్చు, లేదా I square అని తీసి కంప్లీట్ చేయవచ్చు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద I value sum. నెక్స్ట్, conjugate of complex numbers. So conjugate of complex number. Okay, if z equal to a plus ib, then conjugate of z is z bar is equal to a minus ibm, a minus ib. So z equal to a plus ib అంటే, సో ఇక్కడ addition దగ్గర before that I is plus are there, just minus అంతేమో. Conjugate. Next one, additive inverse, additive inverse, additive inverse. Z equal to a plus ib, then additive inverse of z is minus z is equal to minus a minus ib. Additive inverse. Multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse is nothing but multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. We know in natural numbers or rational numbers, multiplication of inverse, multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 by 2. Additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. Similarly, in complex numbers also, multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. Next, okay. Let us see. I will give some clarification. For example, if z equal to a plus ib, then 1 by z equal to 1 by a plus ib, by a plus ib. So this is nothing but a minus ib by a minus ib. Numerator into numerator, that is a plus ib into a minus ib. Nothing but a square minus I square into b square. This is nothing but a minus ib by I square value minus 1 minus 2 minus plus a square in plus b square. So a by a square plus b square minus I into b by a square plus b square. This is inverse of z is 1 by z get the values. So this is inverse of complex numbers, that is multiplicative inverse. Next, modulus of z. If z is equal to a plus ib, then mod z, nothing but this one. Mod z equal to, this is nothing but mod of a plus ib. In first year we completed that in same derivation under root of a square plus b square. This is the mod. Next one. Square root of complex numbers. If z is equal to a plus ib, then square root of z is equal to square root of a plus ib. This value is equal to plus or minus under root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 comma under root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. There, of course, there plus or minus I are there. So plus I should take. Okay, no. So see, under root of a square plus b square. Root is completely under root of a square plus b square. Just there this root has totally value, and in this one only root has only for a square plus b square. ఈ రెండింటికి మాత్రమే రూట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇది సపరేట్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సేమ్ వాల్యూ బట్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఏ మైనస్ ఏ అమౌంట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అయి ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అయి తీసుకుంటాం, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ అయి ఉంటే సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ అయి తీసుకుంటామండి. ఓకే, ఇదంతా సినాప్సిస్ అంతా నేను పీడిఎఫ్లో ఆల్రెడీ పంపించడం జరిగింది. ఒకసారి క్లియర్గా సినాప్సిస్ కనుక మీరు ఫస్ట్ నోట్స్లో రాసుకొని వాటి ఫార్ములాస్ ఇవన్నీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినవి నేర్చుకోండి. ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకుంటే సొల్యూషన్ అనేది చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ క్యూబ్ రూట్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాము అక్కడక్కడ 1, ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ క్యూబ్ రూట్స్ where omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Okay, ma'am. This is our conditions. Next, where omega is equal to, so what is the formula means -1 plus I root 3 by 2, comma omega square is equal to -1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, so finally conclusion is omega is nothing but complex numbers. Okay, na, where 1 omega square are called cube roots, then omega cube equal to 1, we know. This one also we know, especially omega is equal to -1 plus I root 3 by 2. Okay, so this is cube roots. Next one, mod, amplitude and polar form are there, but in our 30% deleted దాంట్లో ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ తీసారేమో mod, amplitude, polar form. ఓకే, సో ఇది కూడా వెరీ సింపుల్ అమ్మ, చెప్తాను. బట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటే డిలీటెడ్ సిలబస్లో ఉంది, అయినప్పటికీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాము. mod, amplitude form or polar form. So if Z is equal to A plus IB, then mod amplitude form or polar form. Simply write polar form of Z is equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. ఓకేనమ్మా, సో ఇదే కాన్సెప్ట్ పోలార్ ఫామ్ అనేది మనకి సర్కిల్స్ 2Bలో కూడా వస్తుందండి. అక్కడ కూడా పోలార్ ఫామ్ అంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు h ప్లస్ ఆర్ కాస్ థీటా, నెక్స్ట్ y ఈక్వల్ టు k ప్లస్ ఆర్ సైన్ థీటా అని వస్తుందండి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ పోలార్ ఫామ్. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ polar form of Z is equal to R of cos theta plus X. So what is the R, sir? Where R equal to mod of A square plus B square, comma cos theta is equal to A by R, comma sin theta is equal to B by R. So simple. దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే A by R అంటే R క్యాన్సిల్ A వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ వన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే దిస్ ఈస్ ద పోలార్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ Z. ఓకే, సో ఆల్వేస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, theta is must be belongs to open interval -pi to closed interval +pi. This is the one of the most important. Next one more condition, cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as simply cis theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to cis theta. Cis small c is nothing but cos theta. I plus I S represents sine theta. So this is the complex numbers, that is this is equal to this one. Okay, one more is there. Z equal to, if Z equal to a plus I plus x plus iy in this one. If Z equal to x plus iy, okay na? So it is nothing but this is x-axis, this is y-axis. The point is P of x comma y is there. So this is x, this is x. It is y, y. Okay, ma. So then, for example, a line is passing through in this like this one. So theta is equal to arc z alone. Arc z. Arc z is nothing but angle theta. So equal to tan inverse of y by z. Okay. Okay. Therefore, theta is equal to arc z equal to tan inverse of y by x. This is the arc z. So some conditions r of z1 into z2 is equal to log of AB. Log of AB is equal to log A plus log B. Similarly, arc z1 into plus arc z2. Next one, argon of z1 by z. Similarly, arc z1 minus arc z2. So it is also one of the two formulas. Arc means nothing but argand plane. Okay, argand plane is nothing but xy plane. మనం ఫస్ట్ టైం కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీలో డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద టూ పాయింట్స్ అని తీసుకున్నాం 10th స్టాండర్డ్ నుంచి. సో అదే XY ప్లేన్ని కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ అంటాం. ఆ కోఆర్డినేట్ ప్లేన్ని ఆర్గాండ్ ప్లేన్ అంటాం. కాకుంటే అక్కడ x, y అనేది కోఆర్డినేట్ ప్లేన్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ దీన్నే కనుక ఆర్గాండ్ ప్లేన్ అన్నప్పుడు ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ x, y, ఆర్డర్ పేరు x, y ఈక్వల్ టు x ప్లస్ iy అన్నాము. అంతే. ఆర్డర్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ x, y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x ప్లస్ iy అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఆర్గాన్ ప్లేన్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ వన్ ఓకేనమ్మా. సో ఇలా తీసుకోకపోతే దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ సింప్లీ. సో నెక్స్ట్ let us discuss about the 2 marks problems in first exercise. Very simple, very easy simple problems for 2 marks problems. If z1 equal to 3, 5, 2 marks problems. 2 marks. If z1 equal to 3, 5, z2 equal to 2, 6. Then find z1 into z2. Simple solution. z1 into z2 is equal to z1 is nothing but 3 plus 5y into 2 plus 6i. z1 is nothing but. Okay, nama. The two types of చేసాము. A, B, C, D అని తీసుకుంటే AD minus BC of plus I of AD minus BC అని తీసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఇక్కడ సో మల్టిప్లై చేద్దామండి. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus 3 into 6i plus 5i into 2 plus into plus 5i into 6i. Just product. 6 plus 18i, 5 to the 10i plus 5 6 30 into I square. I square value minus 1. 6 plus those are two values 28 I add it, so minus 30 I square into minus 1 into 30 minus 30, so minus 24 plus 28 I. This is the product. దీన్ని రాయాలనుకుంటే ఆర్డర్ పేరు -24, 28. So this is the product. Okay, next one Z1 by Z2 అనే ప్రాబ్లం, సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. Problem number 2. Z1 equal to 6, 3. Z2 equal to 2, minus 1. Find Z1 by Z2. Solution. Z1 by Z2 is equal to, Z1 means 6 plus 3i by 2 minus I. Okay, next before the formulas, మనం ఫార్ములాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేసినప్పుడు a plus ib by c plus id ఉన్నప్పుడు డినామినేటర్ is must be rationalized. Similarly, same there also should be rationalize the denominator of 2 minus I is 2 plus I. Multiply by and divide by the 2 plus I. So 2 minus I into 2 plus a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, 2 square minus I square. 6 into 2, 12, 6 into I, 6i plus 6i plus 3i into I plus 3i square. This is 4 minus I square means minus 1 plus 1. 12 plus 12i minus 1, that is. So 12 plus 12 minus 3, 9 plus 12i by 5 is nothing but 9 by 5, 12 by 5. This is the solution of Z1 by Z2. Okay, or ఇలా రాయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే 9 by 5 plus 12 by 5 ఇలా రాస్తే ఉంటుంది. So this is the Z1 by Z2. Okay, so next third problem, very important problem. Already 4-5 times repeated question, very important 2 marks question. Okay, so what is the question? Simplify 5 by 5i by 7 plus I. Okay, now just rationalizing same ఇంతకుముందు చేసినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం లాగానే చేయాలి. సో 5i by 7 plus I is equal to 5i by 7 plus I. That is 7 plus I means 7i minus I by 7 minus I. Okay, so rationalizing always ఇక్కడ 7 a plus ib ఉంటే a minus ib by a minus ib, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 5 into 7, 35i minus 5 into I square. Okay, next one, 7 square means 49, I square means minus 1 plus 1. 35i minus 5 into minus 1. Then 50. Next one, 35i minus into minus plus 5. As well, first we write down 5 plus 35i by 50. This is nothing but 5 by 50 plus 35 by 50 I. Okay, so I ఇక్కడ రాయొచ్చు లేదా బిఫోర్ we should write 5 ones 5 tens 1 by 10 plus 5 sevens 5 tens I into 7 by 10. This is the Z1 by Z2 formation. Simplify the 5I by 7 plus I. Okay, ma? So this is a very simple solution. Okay. So like this some problems are there. I will send a PDF. Same models problems are there. Try yourself. Okay, ma? Maximum చాలా ఈజీ అండ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ బట్ ఏ చాప్టర్ అయినా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఈజీ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందంటే ఫార్ములాస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఫస్ట్ బిల్డ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, తర్వాత 2-3 టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయినా ఈజీ. ఓకే అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ we will continue the next class. Bye.